Lean back. Keep your arms crossed. Alright, cross legs. So you might have to hold on to your shoes.
Oh, I thought you said I was going to hold on to my life.
Huh?
He has to hold on to his life.
I thought you said to my life. Shoes? I'll give it to you.
No, I got my own shoes.
Why isn't the speed gun working?
Which one?
The speed.
The speed button? Which speed button?
The speed gun. Like the radar.
I don't know. Usually you have it this. Alright, cross legs.
Yep.
Good luck.
Thanks, man.
Yeah.
I'll get the phone behind you.
Yeah. Alright, lean back and cross your arms.
Video.
Exit all the way up the stairs, please.
Yeah, one moment, please.